It's April 24th, 2022. A quick view here of the just framed Under the Wing series artwork 45. Hitler's Yo-Yo, Zisl, the street musician, Dietrich, Bonhoeffer with honorary horns. Drawing I did in 2001, 2002. Gouache, colored pencil and paper, and mounted on masonite. That's Zisl, the street musician here. The itinerant, like Polish-Jewish street musician, Dietrich Bonhoeffer, who was executed just 2 or 3 weeks before the war ended by executed by the Third Reich. Chicken I drew from a chicken in the book Extraordinary Chickens, which I first learned about in a magazine article that came out, might have been a year before the book was published. I think it might have been in Smithsonian magazine, but I think I'd have to look that up. A Nazi beer coaster, that kind of depraved image of a Jewish man on it. A papal bull, B-U-L-L, which is like an edict. I have to look up. Should be in my description text what century that was from, what book I took to write the imagery from, inspiration-wise. Synagogues, one of these was a synagogue in Dome of a synagogue in Budapest. The other one, I have to look it up. This here was inspired by a chapter in Primo Levi's, in a book by Primo Levi. I'll have to look up the title of that. I don't remember why this cartoonish figure here. I have to see what I have notes on that. And Hitler, headless, with the banner wordage from the anti-Semitic Nazi Third Reich newspaper called Der Stürmer. All right, there you have it. I still remember when I invited now retired campus pastor Brooke Rolston over to my apartment and then in the Pike Market to see it. And he gasped so loudly and so forcefully. I actually got worried for a moment that he was going to go into like cardiac arrest or something. And he said something about Dietrich Bonhoeffer has followers worldwide. I mean, posthumously, of course, because he was executed in 1945. But anyway, I assured him that I was paying homage to him. Anyway, in recent years, when I've invited His Grace, as I call him, or Your Grace directly to him, Lord Rolston, as I call him, over to visit, when I call ahead of time, I always make sure that I ask him to please clean oil as needed, clean any air filter on the gasperator so it's in good shape for when you visit and see new work, which might cause you to gasp really loudly. All right, there you have it. How are we doing, budgies? Good? I hear some chirping and flying going on over there. Very good, very good. Good morning to you all. All right, there you have it. Stay safe, everybody. Under the Wing 45.